Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to crop PDF pages using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Now click on this left sidebar, this thumbnail option. Now click on this any page and click right button for mouse cursor, and here you will find this crop pages option. Click here and this crop dialog box now open. You can set crop custom margin here. I'll crop point 5 from top as is select here, and bottom I'll select point 5 and see this, and left side I'll select point 5, this point 5, and I'll crop page number 1 from 3. Now select crop and see this. First 3 pages now cropped and other pages remain same. Yeah, this is. And finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.